students, welcome back to my class. I did few sums from chapter 11 of class 10. Today I'll be continuing with the same chapter but with different question. Number 4 is little bit different because here it is asked to make an isosceles triangle. The given base is given 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. So that means what? The first time you have to make the base of 8 centimeter. Make it as an 8 centimeter. Make it the base as 8 centimeter. Here is 8 centimeter. Now let it be BC. It is not mentioned, so you can say any side BC 8 centimeter. Now for making the altitude, what was the process? What is the altitude? That means a perpendicular bisector. If you make a perpendicular bisector, that will be the altitude. So by taking more than half, it's a bisecting method, more than half. We have drawn two arcs from one endpoint, then another two arcs from another endpoint, and that point, if you both the points if you join, we will get the altitude. This here, this side sharp line, this is no need actually, but still this part without doing also we can do the bisection. So here from this is the altitude, this from this altitude you take 4 centimeter. So here is the point 4 centimeter. Now you join up. This, first of all, we have made the triangle. If it is BC, that point is A. Now the same process what we did, draw a line for making the triangle similar to that, the same basis, same process how we have done in previous questions. Hopefully you can do it. Then question number 6 is little bit different. One thing always you remember that whenever we are asked to make a similar triangle, first of all you need to make the triangle with the given measurement. Like in question number 5, we have base 6 centimeter, you can make it base 6 centimeter, and then ABC angle is 60 centimeter, 60 degree. So if base is made as 5 centimeter, this angle will be 60. Here you make the angle 60, and if it is this side is BC, that will be AB, and from this AB's measurement you cut off 5 centimeter. That point you join with this and you will get a triangle. Then after the same process. Question number 6, there what is given? You have two angles and a base. So what we do, the base you draw. This is question number 6. It's question number 6. Base is 7 centimeter. Let's draw 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Base BC, it is of 7 centimeter. Then one angle is given 45, B angle is 45 degree. How to make the 45 degree angle? By using compass also you can make. First you make 90 degree angle, then have to be bisected. Here it is the 90 degree angle. If we join up this point and that point, then we will get 90 degree. As we need 45 degree, so more than half by taking more than half. Suppose this much also we can take. Okay, let's join it up, then it would be clear to you. By dotted line you join, because this line is not required. So here we have the arc, more than half you take, so this much measurement also if you take. So here I have taken from this point, if you join here you will get 45-degree angle. But this measurement is not mentioned. How much it would be? BA. So as it is not mentioned, how can you draw angle A at A point? You can take A here also, there, or everywhere. So as we don't know about the point where it would be A, so what we do, instead of drawing this angle, if it is 45-degree, then if it is 100-degree, one is 45-degree, other is 105-degree, then what would be the same measurement? By angle sum property you can find, no? So it gives you 150. So the other angle will be 30-degree. This 30-degree you make over here. And how to make 30-degree? First you make 60-degree angle with the same radius you bisect, then it will get 60-degree angle, and this 60-degree angle you bisect again. Here is a point that you join. So if this angle would be 30-degree, then obviously this angle will come as 105-degree. So we have made the triangle. Now the same process by drawing a line, how we have done in earlier. Clear? Now I'll give you few questions from 11.2. But beforehand you must know about what are these tangent and secant. So tangent is, suppose if this is a circle, we draw a line through the circle. If it is a center, passes to the circle by cutting the circle at 2 points, then it is called secant. This is called secant. And what is the difference between secant and a tangent? It cuts at 2 points, but tangent touches the circle at a single point. So this is called a tangent. That will be a tangent. This way, so this way we can make many more tangents. If it cuts at P point, so we have so many points in the circle, on the circumference of the circle, so we can make infinite number of tangents in the circle. Likewise we can make the secant also. And how secant and tangent, when the secant and tangent will be similar? When these 2 points comes at the same, means coincides. When both the points will be coincide, then the secant will become a tangent. So tangent is a special case of secant. Okay. How to construction of tangent to a circle? To construct the tangent to a circle, so first of all we need to make a circle. Okay, that point the center you mark as O. Construct the tangents to a circle from a point outside it. That point should not be inside, always to be outside. So say I have taken one point here, say it is P. P. Now what to do for making the tangent from the point P, the first thing is what? This is the first step. We have to make the given circle. How we have made the given circle? With any radius, because it is not mentioned. Whenever it will be mentioned, by taking this much radius, we have to make the circle with the same radius. And if the point P is asked, is said that it is at it is a distance of 7 centimeter or 4 centimeter from the center, then we have to measure this measurement. Here it is not required. So now what we will do, from this line we will take the midpoint, and this midpoint will be taken as a center. So for getting this midpoint, what we do, the same method, you have to bisect the line. I have already told you can make the arcs here also, on both side, on upper part or both side also. So if you make on both the sides, it will be correct, accurate. So here after joining, this point will, here it touch the line OP at point, some point, say it is Q. Now by taking Q as a center and with the radius PQ, we will make a circle. So when we have made the circle, this circle cut the previous circle at 2 points. Say it is R and this is S. Now you join up this 2 point with P, will get tangent. Here is one tangent and here is the other tangent. Here is the other tangent. So PR and PS are, PR and PS are the two required tangents. Next question. Question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point P, from a point 10 centimeter away from the center. So what to do? This time the radius have to be taken as 6 centimeter. So I will take 6 centimeter. Centimeter radius. Here is a center, and what is said, from a point 10 centimeter away from the center. So from the center, if this is the center, from 10 centimeter away we have to take a point. So 10 centimeter you measure. Okay, let's draw a line first. Now from here I'll take 10 centimeter. Okay, here is the point. let it be P. So 10 centimeter. So the same process again. What was the process? You bisect the line to get the center, more than half by taking this side. So I'll make a perpendicular. Here it cuts at the point. Let it be M. Any way you can name. So by taking so it must always passes through the center. This circle must passes to the center. So here we have got 2 points again. If it is P, say it is Q, and this is R. If you join up, here is the 2 tangents. Here are the 2 tangents, the required tangents. And the construction is easy because whatever you are doing stepwise, 1 number construction that you mentioned here, we have drawn the circle with the radius as given radius 6 centimeter that you mentioned. This is 6 centimeter and this whole is 10 centimeter. So this you have to mention in the second part, then bisection part you mention, and so on. Draw a circle. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify by actual calculation. Taking 4 centimeter, I'll make a circle first. Here is circle. This is the center. Now 6 centimeter by taking another concentric circle has to be drawn. So concentric means again you take the same center, make the other circle. Then what is said? Construct a tangent to a circle of 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure. So this time this point is on the other circle. It is lying on the other circle. So for doing that, what we do? We draw a line to the the radius to get a point on this concentric circle. Say it is P. Now we have to bisect again, the same method again for getting if you draw the arc on both sides, your measurement may be wrong. In the previous one I did, but you don't do that way. You draw the arcs on both the sides. Now here we have got the point where it gets intersect with OP. This, by taking, say it is M, this point by taking we will make a circle with the radius PM, either PM or OM, any one. So this time both this circle is cut at point, say it is P, say it is Q, and here it is R. So you join up, these two will be the tangents. Now for second part we have also verify the measurement by actual calculation, means you have to find PQ and PR by actual measurement. So we can do one thing. So now for getting this PQ, not this triangle, you take this triangle. So here when any tangent is drawn to a circle, it is always perpendicular to the radius. So always it makes 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, so it will be the hypotenuse. If OP is a hypotenuse, then OP square is equal to PQ square plus OQ square, and from there you can get PQ. PQ square is equal to OP square plus OQ square. So OP square, OP was 6, sorry, not plus, it is minus, and OQ is okay, this is the radius of this whole circle, so it is 4. So it is 36 minus 16, so it comes 20. Therefore OP is square root of 20. If you find the square root of 20, approximately this value you will get. So thus we can make the tangents. Q on one of the extended diameter, each at a distance 7 centimeter from its center. So this time, so here is the first of the circle you make with 3 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter, and this you extend on both the side, the diameter, and this time you have to take 2 points on either of the sides, and the 2 points are at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. So here is one point and here is the other point, say it is P and Q. So the same method, again this side you make a circle, here it will cut at 2 points, those 2 points you join with P, you will get 2 tangents. This side also you make a circle, here also it will cut at 2 points, and they two from there you will get 2 tangents. Join, so we will get 4 pairs of tangents. Number 4, we need to make a circle first, and then by taking 60-degree measurement between the two tangents, you have to make two tangents and the angle between the two tangents must be 60-degree. So instead of making this angle as a 60-degree, that opposite angle we will make as supplementary, like 60. This 2 will be, well, while drawing this figure it would be a quadrilateral. So this 2 will be opposite angles of the quadrilateral, and that 2 are always supplementary. So if it is 60-degree, other angle will be 120-degree. So here we will make 120-degree angle. That, let it be. Here let's draw one radius. Okay, at this point, for making 120-degree, you can use the protractor also, or can be used without the compass. With this, with the same radius, here I will cut once, it will give you 60-degree, and here I will cut twice. So 60-60 gives you 120. These 2 points you join. Let it cut to the circle at some points. Thus, say it is A and this is B, and these 2 points if you join with P, then they 2 will be the tangent. So other sums are all similar, little bit you have to try hard. So with this I conclude my today's chapter. I'll be back again with a new chapter, new questions. Till then, be safe. Thank you all for watching it. Bye bye.